Hey people, so this particular video is I'm back at the place that it's uh, the place where I intend to someday kick the bucket. I mean, basically, no, actually, I shouldn't say that because no, my mom, uh, whose death anniversary it would be tomorrow, that is June 3rd, it would be her 6th death anniversary. So she would always say that Meri arthi uthegi yahan se, like the place where we would stay, where I was recording so far. And that really happened. So I shouldn't say that I'll kick the bucket here because that just might happen. But anyway, this is my cute little home and see lots of books and all of that. So really people, so that's what I again I'm basically waiting to attend some job interview, but until then I was able to watch a little more of these. That's what you do, right, when you have a little free time on your hands. So there is this particular, it's called Filthy Rich by no, Epstein. It's actually a Netflix documentary on this person who was supposedly filthy rich, but then he had multiple charges against him by minors for abusing them. So minors as in teenage girls who were in their 17, 16. Luckily not children. I mean, please, yeah. So I mean, I'll say, yeah, it's such a disturbing documentary that you, after watching the first 5 minutes, you want to turn it off. It's like that. So I'll be honest, I won't even say it's an interesting documentary to watch and all. It's the kind of thing that you should see to know that this whole concept of having a lot of money, if people who have a lot of money do such sort of crap, like how Sadhguru says that, I don't know, yeah, the topmost industry that does the most business on this planet is, I think, weaponry. Then there is, I mean, weaponry. Then I think all this alcohol consumption, all of that, and next is all pornography. So if people are using the internet for such things, then what? Yeah, I mean, so much we've advanced. Also, no wonder we've been facing so many things, right? Like the earthquake in Delhi, the floods in Kolkata, the locust attack in that side of the thing. So it's all humans now. A lot of karma we've created. So anyway, this is a very long video. So really, people, this is my first video after long. Yesterday also I couldn't record, but I'm so happy to be back to recording. So and so sweet, no, a friend of mine, Suhani Devra, she's been a journalist, very, like, some people, like, I featured her on my Instagram page, and some people, you just have that, she's a Vipassana practitioner, and so that, I don't know, automatic respect for, because they evolved. So she was telling me that, why are your videos only 1 minute long, they should be longer. So thank you, yeah, that's like one of the cutest compliments anyone could have ever given me, because I was expecting people to say, yeah, 1 minute is like, it's too much we need to deal with, for one whole minute you can make it shorter. But instead she told me you should make it a little longer. So thank you, Suhani, that really made my day. So anyway, this is almost going to be 4 minute video. Okay, so really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.